We're doing this really cute project today, and we're gonna feature our new E6000 Plus glue because it doesn't film up on the glass, but we're gonna do this last step for you first. Show you how we did it. Putting some seed beads, we're layering seed beads in this glass star. And we're using this cute funnel that Jamie has. And we're doing little by little. We're gonna fill it up to the top. And then we're gonna add that cork in, which we've already gotten ready with a head pin in the cork. And there's a video on this if you want to learn how to do this. Jamie's gonna put a link in. So this is our E6000 Plus.
It's a new glue.
It's a new glue.
And it's not going to...
It's not going to create a film on the glass like some glues will. So we're just putting a little amount on the cork. And we're going to close up the tube because this dries up really fast if you don't do it right. Put it in. And it takes 24 hours to fully set, but about an hour to set to touch. And so this is the finished product.
So cute. And with the loop at the top, you can turn it into a pendant for a necklace. Or earrings.
Or earrings. Or crazy favors for parties. Cute. Come on in and see us.